Hello, my name is Emma Land, and I am a research experience for undergrad at Stone Lab. I'm from Roanoke, Virginia, a student at Roanoke College, and I'm working on the botany project. My major at Roanoke College is environmental science with a concentration in conservation science and the Earth's critical zone. So my research is studying how the Lake Erie Island's forest's composition has changed due to the infestation of the emerald ash borer. So the emerald ash borer has been pretty devastating to the Midwest since the initial exposure happened in Michigan. So it kind of impacted all of the Great Lakes region pretty heavily, with Ohio's forest composition alone at one point in time was 12% made up of ash trees. So it's a pretty devastating loss to the forest ecosystems here. And so my research was studying what is growing in these canopy gaps that ash trees have left behind. Because it's important to study this stuff because it impacts forest ecosystems, it impacts the entire food chain. And so my research showed that it's actually invasive species that are taking over the forest composition, which is very bad news. But it's important to do this research because we need to know what is growing and what we can do to better prevent these infestations causing such detriment to the forest community. A lot of my research back home has been hydrology based, which is pretty cool, and I mean, I'm in the right spot for hydrology, but my real passion is botany and forestry and geology, all things like that. And so when I got the botany research project, I was super excited, and I think it's super important to be exposed to different ecosystems, different environments. That way you can just get a broader perspective of the world around you. And being from Southern Appalachia, I'm pretty used to the environment down there. I'm pretty familiar with the trees, with the ecosystems going on down there. But it's been amazing. I feel like I've learned so much and I've gained a new perspective on the world around me, and I hope to continue on with similar research for the rest of my academic career.